Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix a Roblox Premium not working in 2026. We're going to be talking about 8 ways to fix it today. The first thing you want to do is check your premium status. You want to go to roblox.com/premium and make sure that your premium membership is still active and not expired. Also, if that is not the case, check your last payment because there might be a pending or failed payment. If not, you can simply go to settings and billings inside of membership to review your payment history. The third thing you want to try to do is completely restart your Roblox, close the application, and then end it from your task manager and restart it. That should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it doesn't, then you might need to simply go ahead and log out and log back in into your account, which does normally fix the problem. If it doesn't clear the cache of your application, check if there are any server issues by going to status.roblox.com and try updating your Roblox or even contacting Roblox Support. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.